Okay guys, so I got another video of a design I'd like to show you. And you know who it is, right? Anyone guess? That's right. My edition printed with a painted bay. Blizzard Erase Devolos. I mean, I don't even have a red Erase Devolos that comes in blue, but they got red Erase Devolos. So I was wondering I can paint it blue. I call it Blizzard Erase Devolos with Blitz and Charge. It's a very cool bay. Check out the design art that I just made. So I'm just going to do a bounce here with my Griff Pegasus. I was wondering I can make something else virtually, but you know. So let's get this battle going. So it seems that about my erase Devolos. That powers is so intense it can make stuff flying. Okay. Okay. First to send Griff Pegasus first. Okay. 3, 2, 1. What? I don't know. I'm screaming onto the corners. Oh, first finish. Right, Griff Pegasus 1. Yippee. Yeah, it's kind of used to. It used to like almost like 80% chance of burst. With Griff Pegasus had 30% chance to burst. So again. Wait. Wait, Devolos. Wait. Oh. Okay. I'll stop this thing right there. Let me try again. Wait. Ooh, good attack. Apologies for that. And Griff Pegasus still get a chance to win for the burst finish. How lucky a Pegasus is that? Oh my goodness. Did I call erase Devolos erased? Wait. Wait. No, you're not. You're not going to steal away from this time. Wait. And 3 times in a row, the first finish. Yeah, it's not a good technique play, but I'm gonna try something else here. How about the Mo? How about Soon Luminar? Soon Luminar is attack type A, so let's see if I can get a chance for that. It's left spin versus left spin. Okay, what? Okay, parts are flying. Great. Sometimes base does that every time. I hate when base fly out the stadium, but there's one base in play. But this is not my favorite. Okay, 3 to 1, what? Okay, 3 to 1, what? Yes! Waving the erase Devolos, Blizzard erase Devolos win. Yay! Wait, I think this may have gone to our hand. So that's just something else. Well, Dusk Ball Cash, to be exact. Left spin. Oh wait, this way. Okay. Hit. Which you can get from there. 3 to 1. Wait. Not bad. Okay. Ready? Wait. Someone else is going to take my victory. Oh, Bobcats take the win of the boss finish. Dang. I thought it was going to be a survivor fish, but no. Alright. We're going to do it again. Ready? What? Right. Big shot. Sanitary boss finish. Yippee. So, again, this bay, the Blizzard erase Devolos is kind of cool. kind of cool to be exact. But let's see, how about Bushi and Sandra? Bushi and Sandra is a defense type. You see here, take advantage in there. See, reach one. Wait. Okay, circles. Wait. Look at that. Oh, Bushi and Sandra, first finish. Woo! That's very neat. Very neat. Almost we did a burst where it bursted. But Bushi and Sandra hang on very well though. Let's see, I can make a comeback. Well, erase Devolos, the burst erase Devolos and the counter takes payback, or Bushi and Sandra takes 2 rounds to the burst finish. Or survival finish. Okay, erase. Okay. Devolos, 3, 2, 1. What? Bushi and Sandra wins the burst finish. With respect. That's pretty deep. So, let's see. If you go for it again, see if you can knock him out. What? What? Whoa! Whoa! Lucky didn't burst though, but Bushi Central wins the survival finish. The winner finish requires off the stadium, and she's in big trouble. Reach one. What? Reach one. Big shot. Big shot. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, even though it's my fucking washer. And in the burst finish, there's the burst finish for erase Devolos. Nice. Oh, never hit a burst though, but it bursted. So, anywho, let's see what you got. Let's do one more. One more with the Golden Judgment Dragon D5. Golden Dragon D5. Golden Dragon Judgment Dragon. Wait. Wait. Look at this. Win for Golden Judgment Dragon. Nice. Okay, one more bell. Then I cut it off. Okay, one more bell. Who get the last burst finish wins. Supercharge time. Which one? What? One. What? Big hit. And it's a Golden Judgment Dragon. Woo! Well, that was fun. That's a bit fun with sec. So when you guys know my combination, we would like to subscribe to the video. Tune in to the next video. Want to see more about us next. And I'll see you guys next time. Here's to take a look of Blizzard Erase Devolos. D5 of course. So thank you guys for watching. We would like to subscribe, like a video, and I'll see you guys later. See ya!